my pride and joy, baby. I've done a few things off camera. I got some new Krager blades from off the Supernatural show. This is what the Impala has. That's the bad fender I was talking about. I can fix up that little patch there. Is that a penny? Someone put that there. There's no way. Anyway, new chrome rims. I like them a lot. This car's problem right now is the battery is not charging, even though it has a brand new alternator. That was hard to do with one hand. So, brand new shiny alternator. I think what the problem is my voltage regulator over here is bad. Now, what I could do is replace my voltage regulator, and that'd be about 60 bucks. But what else could be wrong is the wiring harness going down through the core support could be bad. And I don't feel like messing with all that, even though I am eventually going to rewire this whole car when I 302 swap it with a roller cam. Right now it's a 289 with a flat tappet. What I could do is spend 70 bucks, so like 10 bucks more, and just do a one wire alternator. Where all it is one wire going to this solenoid here and calling it a day. I'm also going to put a 4-barrel carburetor on it, a Edelbrock Performer intake, and a new distributor, new coil. My AC doesn't even work. I'm just going to take all this out, save some weight. And to prove that I do have the ball rolling on the 4-barrel carburetor swap, there's the intake manifold right there in the back seat. Alright, so on my Mustang, it's not recharging the battery. Get off my bad hairline. So, I think my voltage regulator over here is bad, and I don't want to risk it being the wiring harness being bad. So, Amazon special here, I got a one-wire GM style alternator that I'm going to replace this factory style Ford alternator. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. God damn, that is fucking tight.
Oh yeah, mechanic. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Language. It's a
Oh
YouTube
yeah, make me
video.
untight.
We don't want to get monetized.
Loosen me,
Oh,
mechanic.
we can cut that out.
Loosen me, mechanic. Oh yeah. Loosen me.
I would throw this at him if I wasn't using it.
Alternator.
What is... I'm doing something wrong, clearly. We need to get a shop, bro. Looking through this little ass toolbox is not doing it. So, in Discovery, this bracket down here is really loose. Like, obviously, like, it's, you know, not tied up here anymore, so it's going to shake a little more, but that is horrible. So I'm going to fix that while I'm in here. You're not strong enough. This all goofy bolts. Like, this up here is a 14 mil, and then that's not a size up, so I'm guessing it's a 16.
Maybe they were trying to be funny.
Or maybe I'm stupid and don't know how to work on cars. I want to do a 5/8. Hopefully that works.
Okay.
Alright, and I got headers for this thing. Zach, show us what the car's going to sound like. This is stupid. Alright, so I'm stuck right at this moment because I don't have a lower bolt for that alternator. So I gotta get one of those. So across town, part store. I'll be back. Got dark really fast, but alternator is in. I got the bolt. Let's test it. Moment of truth on this new alternator. I got an alternator light, but it works. Hell yeah. Love it. Love it. So a lot got done today. I got Jenny taken to the shop and I'm gonna go back over there tomorrow and give him fluids, clamps, stuff like that. Baby now has a good alternator. The alternator was good before. I think it was a voltage regulator wiring going to it. Either or something like that. The battery wasn't charging. So I'm gonna drive baby to go give stuff to David for Jenny. And now I'll make some barbecue chicken. Let's go. But I'll be back on tomorrow.